Wall Street wrapped up the week in the red on Friday, pulling back from record highs after US President Donald Trump stunned markets by announcing fresh tariffs on Canada. The Dow Jones Industry Average fell by 279 points to close at 44,371, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq also slept lower. 9 out of 11 major sectors ended the day in a negative territory, with financials and healthcare stocks leading the losses. President Trump unveiled a new 35% tariff on goods imported from Canada, citing fentanyl concerns, and warned that Canada could face even steeper duties if it retaliates. He also signaled that blanket tariffs as high as 20% could soon be imposed on other US trading partners, much higher than the 10% level investors had expected. The announcement rattled markets, already watching for the further trade developments with the European Union, as it remains unclear whether Trump will follow through with similar measures or strike a deal. Tech stocks were mixed on Friday. Nvidia rose slightly, extending gains after becoming the first company to close with a market cap above $4 trillion. Amazon gained more than 1% at its Prime Day sale event wrapped up, while Tesla, Alphabet, and Microsoft ticked higher. But Apple and Broadcom edged down, and the Meta platforms dropped over 1% after reports emerged that the company offered more than $200 million to lure away Apple's top AI executive. Bond markets reacted too, with the yield on the 10-year Treasury note climbing to 4.42%, reflecting renewed concerns about inflation and the Federal Reserve's next move. Investors will now turn their attention to next week's starts of second quarter earnings seasons and key inflation data, both of which could set the tone for the market and signal what's next for US monetary policy.